welcome to another Live with Leah. I am here on site at Briza by Generis Properties, and lots has changed over the past couple months, so let's take a look. I am standing in front of our parkade, and what's really awesome about our parkade is it's actually over height, which means you're going to be able to get taller vehicles inside with ease. Our balconies are now in a stage where they're ready to receive the pavers, and this is called torch on, and it's basically just sealing everything to make sure that it's watertight before we begin with our more decorative pavers. We are here on the roof, and as you can see, we are almost complete and we get awesome views. Thank you so much for joining me on another Live with Leah. As a reminder, my name is Leah with the Pilot House Project Marketing team, and we are so excited to keep you up to date at what's happening at Briza in the next couple months.